And welcome back to the Mike's Auto channel. Today we are going to be replacing rear brake pads on a 2006 Chevy Blazer LT. First thing you want to do is jack it up. As you can see, my jack up under the stabilizer bar linkage, right there, as you can see. And simply take the center cover off like so. Put it to the side. 19 millimeter. Alright, had them loose. I know how to do it. Take the wheel off. 14 millimeter socket with a ratchet for the brake pad caliper. Same thing with the bottom. Oh. It's a nut spinning back here. Want to get like a pair of vice grips or something. Lock it. And that bolt come out. Release the vice grip. Pull the caliper off like so. And before we push this piston back in, you're gonna need to take off your brake fluid cap, which I already did. Simply take your pads off like so. If you need a screwdriver, wedge it and pry it. And like I said on my last video, for starters, simply when you take off the brake pad, the old ones, simply lay it back there like that, because you know they got one indicator right there, and that came from the back, and this got two, and you know I got this from the front. So simply take it off and put it like that. If it's your first time doing brake pads, the rotors ain't that damaged that bad, but it can use some cleaning. So now we about to push this piston back in this bore, and I'm gonna show y'all that now.